Just realised I haven't filmed anything today. It's 1:20. It's just me and Fox. We've literally just been sat around tidying downstairs. He's been playing. He's not 100%. He's got a really bad... Oh, he's not in the daytime, but like as soon as he goes to bed, he's really tired. He's been going to bed super, super early. And he'll cough so much from like... excuse me. From like 5 until 9ish. And I'll go in and like I wipe him because he's got loads of dribble and he's just really unhappy, and then he just sleeps all night. So he's definitely on the verge of either getting really bad or the sleepiness helping combat it. I don't really know, but he's not 100%. So we've just come upstairs so I can finish editing. I've got an order to do, and then I want to give the girls' bedrooms a quick blitz before we go pick them up. Ben is here this afternoon to see the kids, so I won't be filming anything this afternoon. Yeah. There's not a lot really to tell you. I got my legal copies back, so I can now start the process of changing everything, which is crap, but I needed to do it. So I'm going to start on my driver's license, and then I need to do my passport. My passport's going to cost me 80 quid. I have to just get a whole new passport, which is annoying. But it means I can get a new picture, because my passport photo was horrendous. And then I need to do the banks and everything. I need to make a list of everybody I need to tell. Oh God. I did not sleep good last night. I didn't go to bed till nearly midnight, and then I was up at 5. I'm gonna edit and do this order. Let's do a tarot pull. Just wait there a minute and I'll shuffle them. Let's have that one. What do you say? I can achieve balance. I can achieve balance. We shall see. I can achieve balance. So yesterday's was I manifesting, which I am. Manifesting my desires, and I can achieve balance today. So let's see what happens. No, it's gone. I had nothing to tell you, but I can't remember what it was.